Hello, welcome to today's flow. Let us begin at the top of the mat in a mountain pose. Inhale, hands rise up to the sky, look up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, blend the palms. The left foot steps back in a lunge. Inhale, hands up to the sky, look up. Stretch the hip flexor. And exhale, the hips move back. Find a half split over the right leg. Inhale, lunge. And exhale, blend the palms. Plank pose. Lower knees, chest and chin. And gently roll into a baby cobra. Inhale. And exhale, release. Child's pose to down dog. Inhale, the right leg rises up to the sky. Exhale, knee to nose, step the foot in between the hands. Inhale, left leg in a standing split, and exhale, forward fold at the top of the mat. Inhale, rise up to the sky, hands up, and exhale, samastitihi, hands in prayer. Let's do the second side. Inhale, hands up to the sky, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, forward fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. And exhale, blend the palms, the right foot steps back, Anjaneyasana, lunge. Inhale, hands up to the sky. And exhale, the hips move back, half split, Ardha Hanumanasana. Inhale, lunge. Exhale, blend the palms, plank pose. Lower knees, chest and chin. And gently roll the spine into a cobra pose. Exhale, release into a child's pose. Breathe and find your down dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Left leg goes to the sky. Exhale, knee to nose, step the foot in between the hands. Inhale, the right leg finds a standing split. And exhale, forward fold at the top of the mat. Inhale, Urdhva Hastasana, look up. And exhale, Samastitihi, hands in prayer. Inhale, right knee to chest. Hold on to the knee or grab your right big toe with the right peace fingers. Work towards extending the leg. Once you found your balance, grab the outside edge of the right foot with your left hand and twist towards the right. Gently go back to center. Hands up to the sky, challenge your hip flexors by trying to keep the leg up for a few seconds, and then transition in a warrior 3. Right leg back and hands overhead. Carefully lower the right foot to the mat. Legs are straightened, hips are squared, and forward fold onto the left leg. Working towards straightening it. Inhale, halfway lift, and exhale, fold. Enjoy this deep stretch that involves hamstrings, calves, and also hips. Inhale, walk the hands forward. Right leg finds a standing split and gently forward fold at the top of the mat. Inhale, rise up, hands up, Urdhva Hastasana, and exhale, Samastitihi, hands in prayer. Left knee to chest. Hold onto the knee or grab the left big toe with the left peace fingers and work towards extending the left leg. Once you find your balance, grab the outside edge of the left foot with the right hand and twist towards the left. Inhale back to center, balance, hands up to the sky, challenge again the hip flexor and transition into a warrior three. This time the left leg is back and hands overhead. Left leg lowers and find your pyramid stretch. Square the hips and fold forward. Connect with your breath. Inhale, rise, walk the hands forward, left leg in a standing split, and lower it. Find a forward fold at the top of the mat. Inhale, rise up, hands up, Urdhva Hastasana. And exhale, Samastitihi, hands in prayer. Inhale, bend the knees, find a chair pose. Lower the hips until they meet the mat. And sit down, straight legs in front of you, spine is straight, look up, inhale, and exhale, forward fold. Legs can be bent. Enjoy the stretch of the posterior chain. Inhale, release, and get ready for your final resting pose, Shavasana. Fully relax the muscles. Let all of your weight sink into the mat, into the floor. Allow your breath to find its natural rhythm. You are welcome to stay longer in your Shavasana. But if you're ready to go, thank you so much for practicing with me today. Namaste. See you next time.